Well, it's almost Christmas, which means gifting time. So why not offer your clients some gifting sets, such as this Creative Golf gift set that I've got here. For the discs, I used my laser engraver, the cabinet laser engraver that I got from AM.CO today. I'm very happy with it. As for the power and speed, I went for a speed of 500 and a power of 35%, and just so that I can go through the surface of the wood, I don't want to go too deep. The design is very simple, it's easy to read, so that the golfers can just look at the disc and carry on going and have, enjoy their game, have fun. It was a very precise engraving. I'm very happy with my laser engraver. The speed is just perfect. I'm happy with the fact that it's very fast and that it does precise engraving. You're now looking at our newest laser machine, the Desktop 600 by 400. This is such a really nice machine. We've got our nice new display, which is full color. It shows you all of your designs when you're cutting. It comes with an 80-watt tube at the back, which is really nice for getting through some nice thick wood. Allows you to do a lot more than our smaller laser desktop machine with a 40-watt tube. This 80-watt tube will get you to do a lot more, and you can do a lot more with it. Now, I know you guys are wondering, why is this machine red and white opposed to our normal gray and blue? Well, we're just so excited to use a different color. This is more of a special edition machine we're going to bring out, and which is now available now for you guys, and it's going to be very nice to stand out in your workshop. For the ice towel and the bag, I went with Sublimation, and I printed these on the AM.CO today printer that I have, and the colors came out really nice. I went for a nice blue camo for the ice towel, just to give it that cool looking effect. For the bag, I went for a very nice design. I had the rules on the back, and then on the front I had all of the discs that you can see. has really nice color. I'm very happy with the print that came out on it. After stitching them together, it came out really nice. Now I know that these type of products are going to do really well, and golfers are really excited about it. It's going to be a fun game for them, and it's going to go down really well. All that's left is for you to apply your own imagination to give your clients a really cool gift set.